Hi, this is Dr. SAURABH SINHA, and I have joined this Recon Institute for the purpose of enhancing my aesthetic practice. The day you enter this institute, you feel like, okay, the meaning of aesthetic. You find beauty in each and every aspect of the institute. Afterwards, when you start, it was a very wonderful experience finding so many of good hands, learning with people. The institute, you'll find the sessions were very interactive. It was not like you have just attended a session to learn things, to mug up things. It was so interactive. You come in contact with the faculties, the wonderful faculties. They try to imbibe each and the small little things into your mind. Talking of the hands-on session, I tell you, you won't find a better way of learning things. As far as I am concerned, I will tell you, n number of patients, no limitation of the patient handling. You got a good number of patients to have to work on each and every procedures. The faculties were so well guiding. You get so much of confidence that you take a lot of experience, you feel like, when you go back to your hometown. And I definitely feel that it has boosted my confidence in doing such kind of aesthetic practice, and is definitely going to help me out in performing day-to-day procedures. And many thanks to Pragati ma'am, Recon Institute, and CBAM, where we have experienced such a beautiful thing. Thank you so much.